Hi guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. So I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you two handbags that I have ordered. One from Macy's and one from Spade. This one I have ordered recently, but this one is from a long time. So I'm showing you like two handbags. So in case you guys are looking for a handbag, then definitely this review will help you. So one is Coach Madison and this one is Spade Carson. So let's see how these handbags looks and how it works. So let's open this one first. So currently in Macy's they have some discount in handbags, so definitely you can check there. So you can see the packaging is really nice. So I think this one price is always vary, so you can check there. This one has some discount, so I got it in like a really great price. This one is this is the handbag. You can see like a really nice handbag, leather, calf leather handbag. This one I think it comes like a two design. One is like the flower pattern design, and this one is this you can twist it and open this one, and this is like really gorgeous. You can see the leather, it's very soft, and it comes with this dust bag. I think this one is a 9.25 and the height is 6.2 inches, and this one is 3 inches. So let's open it, and here is another flap closure. Here is also another flap closure. So this is like a really nice handbag, you can see, and the inside portion you can see like pretty much spacious, and here is also a zipper. Here is one zipper and one closure, one pocket, one zipper and one slip-on pocket, and this is like really soft, and the inside portion is also really soft. And this one has the magnetic snap closure. That's here. And the back side is also another snap closure, so it is like pretty much spacious. And here is Coach written here, and here the chains stuff, which is like really cool. Yeah, I think this one is 22 inches, and this is I think 6 inches, something. The color looks nice, and these are everything is like neatly stitches. It's very perfect. I don't have any complaint. Well, I wish they have like some fit, but they don't have, so you have to put it like really in the ground. Yeah, this looks nice, and the color is also really pretty. So that's it. So let's open this one. So this one is the Spade Carson. So let's open this one. This one I have ordered from Spade. I don't know whether this one is available right now or not. I don't know. This one I have ordered from previously. This one is calf skin leather, and this one is like I think Saffiano leather. You can see. This one is like looks more structured, and the right, New York, and here. This one is a snap closure, but this one is like twisting closure, and I really like this chain and leather design. This back strap I really like, but here it's only the leather strap, and in the inside portion, yeah, the inside it has also a chain strap. So this is the inside portion. You can see, I think this one, the couch has like more space than this one. This one, like, yeah, spacious, but not yeah, I think for I don't carry like much. For me it's okay, but if you carry like a lots of stuff, I don't think it has more room, but yeah, it's okay. And in the this side also it has some back pocket, which is only slip-on pocket, one slip-on pocket, and inside it has, yeah, I believe this one is only one slip-on pocket closure, and the back side is also like no fit, nothing. If you carry the, you can carry it this way, or you can use it as a clutch also, like this way. How the handbag looks. It looks nice, but if I compare these two, I would say the coach, it looks more premium, and the quality is much nicer than this one. This one is also nice quality, but yeah, this one is Saffiano leather, this one is like calfskin leather. Both have nice quality, but this one is like really premium, and the inside also more space and more pockets. Let's see how it fits with my stuff. So let's say, so this is so I usually don't carry this big wallet, but I'm just showing if I carry this wallet, then how much stuff I can fit. So it's like a pretty big wallet, and I'd say one sunglasses, this sunglasses, yeah, fits so nicely. Yeah, this one sunglasses and one phone I can fit it here. One keyring, I usually carry this keyring. This is my keyring and wallet, everything. And if I put some essential stuff, here is all of my essentials. So like compact liner, one tissue, sanitizer, like everything, roll and everything. So if I'm like makeup and everything, this one I would say no. So if I skip a little bit of like makeup, some tissue, and this thing, then probably one sanitizer and lip balm, lipstick, yeah, a little bit of stuff. Then yeah, no, it will not fit. You just have to put it like separately, like sanitizer, your Olin or lipstick or liner, everything. You just have to throw it here, then you can fit it. But if I skip this wallet, then I think, yeah, I can fit all this stuff here. Yeah, so yeah, pretty like all this, all of my essentials and my sunglasses, fits all of my stuff. And here is my phone. Yeah, I can fit my phone here also, because here is another pocket, so here also I can put. No, this is like a really big phone. If you have little smaller phone, then it would fit here, but this one is like a little bigger, so I can put it my phone here. No. stuff. But here I don't put any wallet, because here is my wallet, my key, everything. So yeah, I don't have any wallet. And this is how it fits my stuff. Yeah, this is pretty much everything. I like all of my stuff. I can carry here. So this is like a pretty decent size, and you can fit almost like everything, I would say. Like all of like a small makeup kit, sanitizer, your sunglasses, and mini wallet. I wouldn't say like not like this big wallet, but a small wallet definitely can fit, like a card holder or something like that. So yeah, this is like a really decent size and great handbag, I would say. So let's see this one. This one is like definitely a smaller version. So if I put this wallet, then there is no space for my other stuff. Like other stuff, I have to put it like throw it like individually, which I don't like, because I don't like to throw my stuff individually. Then I can't find anything. So I try to if your sunglasses is like big like this, I would say. Yeah, I will. Yeah, it fits like yeah, my sunglasses. But if I put this big wallet, then definitely no. Like a phone I can put here, and wallet, and a couple of stuff I can remove, like some sanitizer, like stuff. Couple of essentials I can put here. If I throw it individually, definitely you can put more stuffs, but I personally don't like, so I can put these stuffs. And yeah, here you go. Yeah, this is how this wallet would. But if I compare, this one has like more space than this one, and also yeah, this is like a little smaller size, so obviously this one carries less stuff. So I tried both of the handbag, and both are like really great. I can't say which one is perfect and which one is not, because both are like as per the price, this one is like much pricier. That's why the bag looks more premium than this one, because this one is like a little bit cheaper than this one. So as per the price, this handbag is looks nice and also works fine. I mean, this is as per the price, this one is good, and as per the price, this one it looks more premium and more gorgeous, and the quality is also good. I don't have any complaint on this bag, except in case they have some fit, then it would protect the handbag, but there is no fit. So it's calfskin, so it needs more care. I have so many Saffiano leather and handbag, and I don't care that much, but still they are fine. I don't see any scratches or anything. But calfskin leather handbags are like it needs more care than this one. So that's the only thing I would say. How I use the handbag. The prices are also not same, so this one is like a little cheaper than this one. So as per the price, the handbags are like a really great one. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.